Buenas noches, putos. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so I can't squeeze my fat ass. What's happening, folk? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. As you guys can read the title, Beloved My Head. Pause. 5. Lava. It grows on me every single time I see it. Lava. It's such a dope color, bro. I haven't been filming lately because, well, it's been raining every single day. But for today, it's a little rainy outside, blah, 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 blah. But what we can do our hybrid racing shifter detent springs. This right here will improve shifting much more. It'd be more like precise. You know, this right here is the bee's knees. You see that? You see that banner right there? Yeah, you see that? Buy it. Patiently waiting for the front lip to arrive today so I can drop it off to the paint shop and get painted. Then I'll have my car back to looking normal. I'll talk to the homies over at Dept. I will have a front splitter being shipped out fairly soon, along with a new side splitter so I can have black accents on the car again, because yeah, we need it. We need it. Oh yeah, let's get it, baby. The new lip arrived. This is a Type R replica lip like I had the old one was before. So we are good, boy. Now, to do the shifter springs, I have to basically loosen out, remove this mount. These it's supposed to be 3 bolts, but as you guys can see, I only have one there and one there, 2 bolts, and then this bracket will come off, but I'm pretty sure I have to remove it from here as well. Yeah, baby. Got the lip loaded up. Now I'm on my way to the paint shop. See the homie Blake and drop off this lip. Get it painted. Should have the car looking back to normal in about a couple of days. So, yep. Gotta love them local paint shops. So droney, bro. This exhaust is so droney. So droney. But it sounds good though. Sounds good. Just hella droney. Alright, so I made it back to Affordable Auto Body and Painting. In case you guys ask where I get my car painted, this is where I go. Ask to speak to the homie Blake. Tell him that Percy sent you. Probably look out. And look at that DC 2 over there. Ooh, somebody getting that red paint job, Blake. What? Bro, Blake is the homie, dog. I love that dude. Blake, if you ever watch my videos, I love you, dog. You the homie. Man, so I got you, bruh. I'm still gonna have to pay, I'm sure, but he's like, bro, wait, bro, Blake. No, I'm gonna fuck with you, bro. Let's forward back to the crib and install our shifter detent springs today. Should be a fantastic install. Should be simple, quick, easy. Shalom alaikum, blah alaikum, blah blah. Should be all that, playboy. Okay, so we're back home. Got the car jacked up on all 2s. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the installation process of our shifter detent spring. So what I'm gonna do is use the 17mm, loosen that bolt, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use a wrench for the, well, I can use a socket there and use a wrench on those 2 so I can take the whole mount off. But I could just take out this bolt, which I think that'd be the easiest way to do, and then lower the transmission a little bit, or lower the motor and the transmission like that, and then I should be straight. So yeah, bro. So if you ever decide to do this to your RSX, you do have to remove these 3 bolts. 1, 2, and then 3. If you can see down there, right there. Well, you can't. Well, you can see it. Whatever. So you got to remove those 3. I tried to just remove this bolt and have this bracket just come up, but nope. All right. So got the mount off. Now we got these 3 12mm bolts. Oh, maybe they're 10 mils. I think they're 10 mils. It's 12. Oh, it's a 13, so they are 12s. Yep, I got the wrong one. So it's 3 12mm bolts. We loosen that out, and then the spring and ball should be in there along with this bolt socket holder thing. I don't know what you would call it, but yeah. Loosen that out, and we good.
you guys can see, the shiny pieces are the washers. Do not lose those washers. And there's a ball down there too. So all you gotta do is place the spring on top of the ball, put the cap back over it, tighten it down, and you're done. Hybrid Racing's Detent springs are now installed. You already know what time it is. I got the strap. Let's get it. The Detent springs is a night and day difference. My shifter feels more stiffer. Well, that's the purpose of the Detent springs. It stiffens up like the shifting. And dog, it's definitely shift, like bro. This thing is definitely stiffer. Bro, if you ever drove an RSX stock, and you know how like loose the shifter is. The only thing that's not OEM is the shifter box. I had OEM springs in it, the Detent springs. Now I have heavy duty hybrid Detent springs, stock cables, and bro, it really improved the shifting. Like it's more, it's just stiffer. Like it's more precise than what it was before. And these only retail for like $20. I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. Pause. But this is, it's dog. It's really a night and day difference. Like it's more stiff, like it's more notchier, it's perfect. This shit nice. Such a night and day difference, dog. You could really get it under $20 too if you use discount code Zosh at hybridracing.com for 5% off, baby. But yeah, if you have an RSX or 8th Gen SI or any K series gearbox or even a B series gearbox, I highly suggest running these Detent springs. It improves everything. So much better, dog. God dang. This is nice. I wish I could do a better pull for y'all, but I can't. It's traffic. I'm super glad I relocated my battery so I can install these springs, because if you don't have your battery relocated, then you have to remove the battery and all. It's a lot. It's a lot. Little K28 to that could. Man, I want to get on it, dog. Manifold and K-Pro and go get this bad girl tuned, bro. And this will be one fun ass daily, bro. Bro, these are the most gangster ass birds I've ever seen in my entire life, bro. You gotta wait on them. If that ain't G, then I don't know what is. That's G as frick. Did I get lucky? Okay, let me not do that anymore. To summarize this quick little POV, Detent springs, do it. It's not that expensive, it's very cheap. Use discount code Zosh at checkout at hybridracing.com and you will not be disappointed. It's an easy, simple install. From 1 to 10, I'll rank it a 3. It's really not much, but then again, I don't have the battery there, so it's not really that much time consuming. If your battery is relocated, then it'll take you like 10 minutes. If it's not, then I highly suggest you order the Dept battery RSX version 3 battery relocation tray kit, linked down below in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this portion of the video. Let's keep it going.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for this video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video. And as always, if you did not enjoy it, leave a dislike on the video. You know me, I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of you. I hope you've been told you've been loved today. If you haven't, I'm glad I told you I love you. And be sure to click the links down below in the description box. Discount codes down below to hyperracing.com. There's the battery tray relocation kit, all down below, and you can have yourself something. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.